Hi everyone, my name's Amy. I'm one of the founders of Zeffa Clothing. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of screen printing for Momac, so we're going to show you the process from start to finish. Okay, so the first step to screen printing we've already done. So we've coated all of our screens and they've dried overnight in our drying cabinet down here. Then once we're ready and we've got a design sorted on the computer, we just need to print it out on some of this clear paper, and then we can start the exposing on our exposure machine right here. Okay, so now that we've printed part of our logo, so this is going to be the blue part, we need to put it onto the screen and then expose it using this. It's okay under this light because it's LED, but you can't have any halogen or UV or anything, otherwise it will expose the screen. Have to put the logo backwards, otherwise when you flip it, it's the wrong way around. Okay, so we've just exposed our screen. I've just given it a little bit of a squirt with some water, so you can see the logo starting to come through. Okay, so we've finished the exposing and we've just finished washing it out. So you can see now that the screen where the logo is completely clear. So the next step is to leave this overnight to dry, and then we can start printing as soon as it's dry. Okay, so we're back now. Our screens are nice and dry, so we have registered them and taped them all up and got them on our carousel. So we're ready to start choosing some colours now and do the printing. Right, so our t-shirt's nice and warm now, so we'll just let it cool down a little bit. We're going to do our first colour, so we just pull our screen down. So we have our print here, so we're going to do a flash and then we're going to repeat that process so that we get a really nice solid white. And then we're going to do our blue. And we'll repeat so we get a really solid blue. Right, so we've just finished our screen printing for Momac here. So we do the exact same process for Zeffa as well. So all of our t-shirts are printed in New Zealand. They are child labour free and cruelty free, so all of that good stuff. If you guys can head over to our Facebook page, give us a like and check out our website, we would greatly appreciate it.